chapter I would go? 1 or 2, 3? I guess I'll go 1. Yan na daw. Let's go. Yan na. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Grandpa! Grandma, where are you, Grandma? Where's Grandma? Oh, Grandma! What's up, Grandma? Grandma, don't chase me. Grandma, please. I'll give you ice cream if you chase me. Thanks, Grandma. Oh, hell. Grandma is chasing me. Oh, Grandma. See you later, Grandma. Oh, my friend is done. Grandma, come here. See. Dai! Dai, do.